The best cryptocurrencies to invest in. A beginner's guide. There is no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to investing. If you're on the internet looking for somebody to tell you which crypto you should invest in, you are heading in the wrong direction. No one can tell you where you should put your money. Every individual has a different risk profile, capital, level of commitment, profit goals, etc. While some investments may suit someone, the same investment may not serve others. Take the recent Elon Musk and Doge incident. For example, the Dogecoin wave was everywhere, with its movement controlled largely by Elon Musk and the Doge community, looking at which many people who didn't even know anything about cryptocurrency bought it. While some were able to ride the wave and make millions, more people went broke because they failed to correctly assess the cryptocurrency. So here, in this piece of information, we will not tell you where you should invest, but rather how you should invest in a cryptocurrency. 4 crypto investing lessons. The 4 lessons to go back to whenever you are not sure which cryptocurrency to invest in. The first lesson. Cryptocurrencies have an underlying vision or utility. First things first, not every cryptocurrency is the same. Each cryptocurrency has a distinct purpose attached to it. They are attached to an underlying vision. For instance, Bitcoin has a firm purpose of replacing fiat. It realizes the pitfalls of fiat and improves its shortcomings. Fiat currency loses its value over time and is inefficient for cross-border transactions because of higher fees. In contrast, Bitcoin increases in value over time and is cost-effective for cross-border transactions. Likewise, Ethereum goes a step further and allows developers to build decentralized applications on its network. In simpler terms, it makes it easier for developers to build applications on blockchain by giving them access to Ethereum's infrastructure. The more a cryptocurrency solves a problem, the more people will want to adopt it, and thus, it gains value. Second lesson, market capitalization. Which cryptocurrency people are investing in? Think about it this way. A cryptocurrency is nothing if people don't believe in it. Market capitalization is the share a particular cryptocurrency owns in the entire market. It indicates a cryptocurrency's market dominance. Large market capitalization means more people are investing in a cryptocurrency, thus pushing up its market value. It is an excellent estimate to know which crypto people are investing in. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Bitcoin owns over 50% of the total crypto market capitalization? Additionally, the greater the market cap of a cryptocurrency, the more liquid it is as more people are inclined to invest in it. Liquidity refers to the ease with which the asset can be converted into cash. Greater market capital means greater liquidity. Third lesson, limited supply. Scarcity creates value. Well, as far as economics is concerned, this point stands true. A cryptocurrency with a limited supply would have a greater value than a cryptocurrency with an unlimited supply. Bitcoin, for example, has a limited supply of 21 million coins, which helps drive its price up. On the flip side, Dogecoin, which works on practically the same framework but has an unlimited supply and thereby struggles to reach the $1 mark. However, scarcity alone isn't enough to determine the potential of a cryptocurrency. If it were the case, then Ethereum wouldn't be as successful as it is today. Fourth lesson, ask yourself questions. This is often the most underrated aspect of investing in cryptocurrencies. As mentioned earlier, there is no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to investing. To find the right crypto for your profile, you need to ask yourself some hard questions. What is the objective of my investment? Do I want to make crazy profits or grow steadily? How much do I want to invest? What is my risk tolerance? What is the objective of my investment? Do I want to make crazy profits or grow steadily? How much do I want to invest? What is my risk tolerance? How much do I know about cryptocurrencies and the specific crypto that I want to invest in? And also, how much time will I be able to invest in the research? Answering these questions and weighing them with the other 3 lessons will help you select from an ocean of cryptocurrencies that are around. For instance, somebody with a lower risk appetite may choose to opt for safe havens like Bitcoin and Ethereum. At the same time, aggressive traders with an in-depth knowledge might reach out for something like Dogecoin. What is the best cryptocurrency to invest in right now? Now that we have the basic framework down, let's take 5 cryptocurrencies and test them on the above parameters. Number 1, Bitcoin or BTC. Being the first ever cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is highly reliable. It was introduced to be the new form of money, replacing the paper money we use today. However, since it hasn't fully evolved yet, it is currently treated as a store of value like, say, gold because of the similarities they share. Both gold and Bitcoin grow in value over time, which means they are deflationary assets. And they have a limited supply. It's a different story altogether that Bitcoin is probably far better than gold in all aspects. Here are some of the reasons why you might want to go in for Bitcoin. It stands strong on all key factors which you have learnt in the first 3 lessons. It has a mighty purpose attached, the significant market capitalization of greater than 50%, and has limited supply. Bitcoin is also one of the most popular cryptocurrencies with people like Elon Musk, Richard Branson, and even Amitabh Bachchan is investing in it right now. Cryptocurrency number 2, Ethereum or ETH. Before Ethereum, all other cryptocurrencies that were launched were only focused on competing with Bitcoin. However, Ethereum began with the idea that blockchain could be used for much more than decentralizing fiat and hence introduced smart contracts. With the help of smart contracts, Ethereum allows developers to build decentralized applications on its blockchain. Anybody can build anything ranging from crowdfunding applications to games to financial services and make it accessible globally. As of today, it supports over 3,000 applications. Ethereum brought about the second-generation blockchain that uses smart contracts. Here are some of the reasons why you might want to go in for Ethereum. Ethereum is a pioneer in smart contracts. It is a platform that can decentralize anything and everything. It is also the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and has the potential to overtake Bitcoin. And also recently, it hit an all-time high of $4,000 with a yearly gain of over 1,600%. Additionally, the development company of Ethereum is also participating as a partner in the development and testing of CBDC prototype, the national digital currency. Cryptocurrency number 3 is Tron or TRX. Tron intends to build a content sharing and entertainment infrastructure outside the control of Google, Apple, Facebook, and Amazon, with its evolution divided into 6 phases. Currently, it is in the 3rd phase of its development, called Great Voyage. It has evolved from just being a platform for P2P distribution and storage of content to now allowing content creators to issue a stake in their personal brand through individual ICOs. It acquired BitTorrent in 2018 and has recently bought the largest decentralized blog and social media platform, Steemit. Steemit also has a video sharing platform like YouTube called DTube. If the team at Tron successfully rolls out all its 6 phases, experts have predicted a bright future for it. Here are some of the reasons why you might want to consider investing in Tron. Tron has a very strong objective of powering the creator economy. It has a limited supply of 100B tokens, and last but not the least, it has a lot of developments in its network roadmap. Cryptocurrency number 4, Chainlink or Link. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network. Blockchains operate remotely and thus can't access data outside their network. But for smart contracts to effectively perform tasks, real-world insights are important. Chainlink, being an Oracle network, effectively bridges this gap. It is responsible for feeding reliable and tamper-proof inputs to smart contracts. The protocol connects smart contracts on any blockchain with real-world data using oracles. Reasons why you might want to select Chainlink? Well, Chainlink is the most widely used Oracle solution among leading DeFi projects like Aave, YFI, etc., and even Google uses Chainlink. Also, Chainlink has a limited supply of 1 billion tokens. And with that, we come to cryptocurrency number 5, Polygon or Matic. Polygon, formerly known as the Matic Network, is a made-in-India cryptocurrency that is a scalable solution for Ethereum. Ethereum has thousands of applications running on its network, and hence it has low throughput and high fees. Matic actually allows Ethereum to interact with multiple blockchains and become a multi-chain system. It drastically reduces the network fees on the Ethereum network and also makes it more efficient. Reasons why you might want to invest in Polygon or Matic? Well, it powers Ethereum, which in itself is very strong, and it has a limited supply of only 10 million coins. With that, we now come to some of the don'ts of cryptocurrency investing. Now that you know how to go about your next crypto investment, here's a list of things you should avoid doing in the process. 1. Always DYOR. DYOR, you ask me? Well, do your own research. Investing in a cryptocurrency because somebody tipped you about it is probably the worst thing you could do. As I said, everybody is at a different level regarding their investment knowledge, objectives, and risk appetite. So make sure you do your own research before you put your money in any cryptocurrency. Point number 2, never overcommit. To avoid overcommitting, diversify within and between asset classes. For instance, don't invest heavily into one crypto. Diversify between a handful of them. Similarly, don't just invest in crypto. Diversify in other assets as well. And most importantly, don't invest more than anything that you can afford to lose. Point number 3, don't swear by social media. Social media can hype up anything and everything. If you base your investments based on what social media is talking about, you are taking unforeseen risks, my friend. Anything on social media can touch the roof one day and become thin air the very next day. So take everything on social media with a grain of salt. And now it's time for us to wrap up. The lessons that we have discussed in this talk are directly towards people who are in it for the long run. For short-term traders, the criteria may be different since they intend to make money off the market's volatility. However, some factors like market capitalization are important here as well. Disclaimer: the talk you just heard is based on an article written by Farheen Sheikh for CoinSwitch Kuber. Farheen Sheikh is an associate content writer at CoinSwitch Kuber. She's a blockchain and cryptocurrency evangelist who is doing her bit to boost the adoption of cryptocurrencies in India. This talk is not aimed at breaking any copyright laws and has been published only with the aim of promoting general cryptocurrency awareness.